Hi, Pete Miller on a Sunday on a farm south of Chiang Mai. It's been raining a lot in the last couple of days and it's so clean. I thought, I'll show the folks around because it's really nice and clean at the moment. And it's wet. It's still very wet and it kind of stopped late afternoon yesterday, but it has been going and going and you'll see some of it right now. But I'm in our kitchen here and I'm not sure if you can see that. Well, there's that was absolutely flooded yesterday. So it hasn't rained for about 12 hours. So that's looking good. Okay, so this is where I sleep outdoors. I'm not a good indoor sleeper. I'm not good at it. It gets too hot for me. I like the breeze. And there's a mozzie net. Pull that down. And if it gets too noisy, we've got lots of frogs at the moment. Lots and lots of them. And always lots of birds and sort of things. So it gets a bit noisy here. I will bunk down in the kitchen over there and I'll show you the view from the kitchen. Okay, so there is the mountains and the temples and our farm, our orchard down there. Looking pretty nice today. All white yesterday, that sky was all white. And we can see the rain coming towards us when it comes from there. Looking sort of straight across to Burma now, Myanmar. And you can see in the background the highest mountain in Thailand. So we're moving from the kitchen now to this is the lounge room, but because we had the rain yesterday, we had to move all the chairs out. You might be able to see a puddle on the floor there, but anyway, this is not so much the clean part. The clean part's outside with the fields and the flowers and the trees and everything looking beautiful. Okay, so let's walk down the stairs now, and we can already see the chickens over there. Popular chickens they are. So we'll get closer to them, but we're going to walk down these stairs first. Here, the ever reliable Ada shoes. No, fantastic. Okay, so we're just outside our door that was blessed by a monk when we built the house about a year and a bit ago. And so that's been lovely. Let's go and check these chickens out and see why they're so famous on Facebook. That's the big fella there. He's Fufu. The gentleman next to him with the brown. And the lady in the tree there. And that's the mother over there. I wonder where her little chick is. I'll go and find a little. There it is. There's the little chick there. And growing. Proud mother. And I saw her this morning and the little chick couldn't get to the bowl. It was too small. So the mother got the food out of the bowl and sort of dropped it on the other side of the bowl so the little baby could have it. Beautiful. Anyway, so there's the other ones in the tree. The gentleman there. And there's Big Fufu. Yeah, Big Fufu. Through the trees there. Rules the roost, he does. And is so loud all through the day. Like he cock-a-doodle-doos, not just in the morning, but at lunch, evening, all through the day. Amazing. Full. Oh. Yeah, Minnie loves the lawn mowing. Electric lawn mower, not too loud, but we're the only one that's got one in here. Hi, Minnie.
Hi. Hot.
Hot, huh? Yeah. Ninja is the ninja. Too much raining. Okay, it's okay today. Beautiful today.
Yeah, I want to cut
all the lawn. Done a good job, darling. Look at that. We're the only one that has a lawn in Thailand, in Chiang Mai anyway. No one else owns a lawnmower. They use a whippersnipper if they have to cut the lawn, but I like the lawn. Here's the famous fufu, the fluffy chicken. Famous on Facebook, everyone loves it. It's very, very fluffy to hold, this chicken. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. But real boss, he's the number one around here. Rules the roost, absolutely. Yeah, bit dirty from eating too much watermelon there, but they're good friends. Minny and Fufu love each other. And then the black dog gets jealous and comes and butts in. Okay, there you go. Gonna go and see the... what? Hey? The dog doesn't help you?
No.
Why not?
Oh, only want me cooking for her. She want chicken.
Chicken for the black dog. Bloody crap.
สวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ
I think this is the chicken and duck house, but this is the sleeping quarters of the ducks. Further on in there is where the ducks live and sleep, and here are our chicken restrooms here. This is the inside of the now vacant duck house, because they're outside during the day, but they love this room in here. You can't get too close to the ducks there. Not particularly fond there, so they're just having a rest. Anyway, with the recent rain, we've had lots and lots of it. This only went in last week. This is a drain, big drain, and all the water comes from down there and just floods the place. And we'd sort of put it off, and then I went to Australia and I'm able to get what's called an ag pipe. And the ag pipe is this flexible pipe that goes through. They're amazing they don't sell it here, but it's fantastic. And that, we only got that put in, a week or so ago. And it worked a treat. Drain, we built long drain, but did the job. Really carried, thousands of cubic meters of water at a time. It was amazing. It was just a huge river, and it went pow out there. A lot of water down here as well, as you can see. This is a flower bed that sort of just absolutely fills up with water coming from in that ground there. And so it's pretty much impossible to stop. So we just had to knock a hole just in there to let the water out, which it did. But the next job is to put the blue pipe, the famous blue Thai plumbing pipe, in there, and that'll help. So this is my tool shed, and it was once a pig pen. And I have pictures of this. Is the only sort of thing that was here when we got here besides a beautiful view. And so, I'm lucky to have a really nice tool shed. And we've got Charlie Magpie, all the way from Australia. Very elegant, beautiful, in tin. Guarding our spirit house there, and a big fruit tree. Okay, from the pond there, we move across to what is a very traditional part of Thailand, is the Sala, S-A-L-A. Isn't it gorgeous? And these are seen everywhere throughout Thailand, and often they're a bus stop. So they have very elegant bus stops here. So we thought we'd put one. This is really the first piece of furniture we put in here. So there's a bit of an overview of the farm, a bit of a rundown on how things are going. This is the house, upstairs, the front door, and then the trees and everything. There's the driveway, and the entrance is over there. So, I hope you've enjoyed the little summary of our farm.